My name's Jim Martindale. I hail from Wabash, Indiana, and we are the designer and builder of the Cursebuster tillage tool. The fact of the matter is that this is all described for us in the scriptures. In Genesis chapter 8, verse 21, God says to Noah and the families, "I will never again curse the ground for your sake." This is the anatomy of that curse. It did not exist prior to Noah's flood because it never rained. Water was always added to the soil profile from fountains of the deep through capillary action. And that's how we produce all the fossil fuel that we're burning today and will never be able to exhaust. It never had a drop of rain on it. It was all grown with capillary water. And this is the primary action which this tool is restoring into the ecosystem of soil, where precipitation from above is being rendered harmless and it is unable to establish this density layer of silt which operates the curse. We render it harmless even though it's still there, it no longer is effective. And so, kind of like walking around and realizing you're a sin-flawed vessel, but you're not. The sign of the covenant and the fact that rain was instituted at that point is the fact that the covenant was signed with the rainbow. You can't make a rainbow without a raindrop in the air. So in making the covenant sign, God affirmed the nature of the curse. And that's why we call it Cursebuster. My wife got the name in prayer. She came out and announced to us all, "I think I know the name, Cursebuster." And I said, "Oh, that's perfect. It's right from Genesis 8:21.